unconditional, which means that that's the favor because it is unconditional. There is no stigmas tied to it, nor there is no judgment tied to this approach when it comes to a social disorder learning disability, something that disables us in getting the proper attention and proper help that we need, that will help us along the way, that will take us through the process that we need to get over this disorder learning disability. Now, I will be coming out from my book, You Can Make a Difference. Yes, you can make a difference. The working lessons and teachings of Common Humanity Mission is the Human Restoration Human Restoration Project. I want to share something in this wise, because we are social beings and we interact with one another, and this is how we form relationships. I think we need to distinguish between relations and relationships. Human relations is the way we connect, and relationships is the actual connection with itself. So I'm talking about the actual connection that we have in our social interaction skills, but the actual connection deeper than that, if I may use that, is that which is constructed in our mind. That which is constructed, which means the cells in our mind is constructed to think correctly or think properly. We're here to be productive. You know, any misuse or abuse of any substance that we consume, I would say this here is that because the brain it is said that the brain is not fully developed until the age of 25. So anything that has been taken in or consumed mess up that natural development of what I call maturity, or the maturation process. And the maturation process consists of understanding, tolerance, temperament, confidence, and respect. You see. But let me share what's coming from my book, You Can Make a Difference. And just talking about the declaration, that which one is declaring. In its association with values. You see, you have to realize this here, that I have concluded through observation and through study and through experience, is that there are 8 things that follow me wherever I go. Following is an exemplary act. That which follows me wherever I go is problems, questions, issues, and needs, value, virtues, views, and vices. They follow me wherever I go because they are problems. And the problem is designed, as a solution to a problem. Issue, character, resolve. The need for guidance. And the question to the answer is a question of governance. We all have views, we have values, we have virtues, and we have vices. Now, think about this here. What do we have control over? That's what we want to talk about. Remember, that which we must have first control over is our self. We know this, right? What does self mean? Self is that which is invested in you. You have control over what is invested in you, or what is being invested in you, and that which you do not want to be invested in you. You have control over that. And once you know that you have control over that, you learn to manage that. So what are the things that we need to manage and control? our emotions, our feelings, our thoughts, our attitude, our language, and our behavior/activity. Once we learn how to manage and control those things, that means that we will not allow anything on the outside to come in on the inside that will place us in a position where that we will compromise and jeopardize the totality of our well-being. Yes. And once we don't allow that to compromise and jeopardize the totality of our well-being, there we will find happiness. Because happiness is the joy that you feel when you are in pursuit of your potential. Because our true purpose is to move from sympathy to empathy. And may we not reflect carelessness nor callousness. You have just heard it from the Social Interventionist, the one and only Social Interventionist, Reverend Wale Kevin.